Hey guys, welcome back, and today is the unboxing video. I told you in my last one that I had a few packages coming in, and so we're going to get right into it. We're going to unbox my Jouer Cosmetics purchase and then my Ulta purchase as well. So let's get into this. First of all, we have the Jouer package. I haven't been this excited for an eyeshadow palette in a very long time, so let's open her up. Okay, this is the Making Magic Ultra Foil Eyeshadow Palette. And that's the back. I thought that this palette came out like recently. I thought it was new. No, it's not. It's at least 6 or 7, maybe 8 years old. I saw a video on YouTube with a girl trying it out, and it looked like it came in a set at Sephora. It was like a holiday set that they had done like 7 years ago or something like that. And so, oh, it's so pretty. Look at it. So even the dragonfly is like this gold foil material. So cool. So cool. And then you've got the shade names and the colors on the back. So all of these are going to be foiled eyeshadows. They're going to be sparkly, glittery, all of that. They're not mattes or, you know, anything to that extent. They are strictly foils. So you get this large mirror. And then look at these colors. So pretty. I've never tried any palette from Jouer, or honestly anything. I don't think I have. I wanted to try their concealer, but I'm terrible at picking out shades, so until I'm certain, I'm gonna have to wait on that. So I'm really stoked about this eyeshadow palette, and if you guys want to see a tutorial or me using it, let me know in the comments down below and I will do that video for you guys. I don't know if it'll be out in the car or how I will film that, but I'll do a video for you guys. Okay, so next up is my Ulta haul, my Ulta purchases. This is not within the 21 Days of Beauty. This was just what I bought before the event happened. And so let me open her up. I am actually wearing these products today. So it's an unboxing, but also like a try on as well. So I got the ABH Microstroke Brow Pen in soft brown. And so I have not had an actual brow pen in a long time, since the Benefit Boy Brow, I think is what it was called. That crap was intense. I loved it, but it was very, very intense, and you had to be super careful with it. This, however, is so easy and user-friendly. So let me show you the packaging. So the packaging looks like this. And then it's got 2 ends to it. So you have the pen side and then you have the brush. So there's the brush. Nice little spoolie. And I also picked soft brown. I wasn't entirely sure. I usually go for taupe, or I don't know. I try to go for taupe, but I wanted to go with soft brown. I used to use their regular eyebrow pencil, and I believe I've tried taupe and I think soft brown in that, so that's why I went with soft brown. But yeah, look how fun the tip is for this. And I was really scared because, again, I have not tried a brow pen in a few years, so I figured I'd be really rusty and it would take me a lot of time to do. But this pen is incredible. It's so easy to use, and like I said, if you mess up, you're able to quickly, you know, fix it. It doesn't immediately glue to your brows. Like, it is movable. You can fix it. And yeah, I'm wearing it today. Let me get up close. Ignore all the texture. But if you guys can see it, I'm also using the Rare Beauty brow gel. Holy grail right there. So good. You need it. So yeah, maybe I can get some better close-ups. I feel like the lighting's a little weird. It's kind of overcast today. Okay, so that was the first item. The second item is the Airbrush Flawless Blur Concealer from Charlotte Tilbury. And I got the shade 3 Fair. And I was actually really worried whenever I opened this because it looked pretty dark. Again, I don't know what shade to pick. And I usually, on concealer and foundations, I just don't do it online. It scared me because it's so expensive. I know I can return it, but I don't want to. I'm not lazy, but I just want to be able to pick things out that work for me. But look how pretty. Look at the like wand, the engraving on it, super pretty. Packaging is 10 out of 10, I will say. And I am wearing it today. Again with the light. I'm so sorry, you guys. I just look like a ghost. But I am wearing it today. So let me see if I can get a good. Ooh. So that is the applicator. I actually think it worked out okay. I usually like a broader under eye, so I tend to go a little lighter than I probably should. But I think this is more of my shade. So I'm happy so far. She's held up. I've had my makeup on since probably 7:15, 7:30. So yeah, I'm happy so far. And then the last thing that I got from Ulta was this Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tint in the shade Baby Tea. And it looked like just this like pretty coral orangey shade, and I'm wearing it right now. I have not reapplied, so when I put it on, it felt really, really good. It kind of smelled like a raspberry. Like a raspberry and a Cabbage Patch doll. So it smells really good. The color is beautiful. It is a little sticky, and I'm not sure if I did it wrong. You're supposed to apply it and then let it fully dry, and then I don't know if you're supposed to wipe it off at that point because it's a tint. I just left it on. It has stayed a tad, very, 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 very tad sticky. But I don't mind it, honestly. It's a little drying now, but then again, I have had it on since like 7:30. I have not reapplied. I haven't even touched it. So I think for that, and it was on sale. I believe I paid like $8, $9 on sale. And I love this color. It reminds me of Lolita 2 from KVD or Kat Von D is one of my all-time favorite lipsticks. I wore it every single day. I absolutely loved it. And I actually still have a bullet form of the KVD Lolita 2. I thought I didn't have anymore, and then I randomly found it the other day. And I have not used it yet, so super excited about that. But yeah, this color reminds me so much of Lolita. And I'll apply more just so you guys can see the applicator. Okay. It's just so like soft. It smells so good too. It's so easy to apply. But yeah, that was my haul from Ulta and from Jouer Cosmetics. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and stay tuned because I am getting some of those Urban Decay vintage items in. I actually just got the one I was talking about in my last video. I got it in, and I have a whole story because I was so upset when I got it. It was damaged in shipping, and I wrote the seller, you know, they were on Etsy. I wrote them and sent them pictures and everything. Thankfully, it was only one shade of the lip gloss that got damaged, but, you know, thankfully they were very understanding, gave me a full refund. I could keep the item, so I'm still going to show you guys that vintage Urban Decay item, but there is a damage to it. But it is 26 years old, and I'm kind of shocked that it's still in okay condition anyways. So little update on that, and then the other stuff I have not gotten in yet, but I'm just going to do segments different videos on different vintage Urban Decay items. So if you're interested in that, keep on, tuning in. So yeah, I love you guys very, very much, and I'll see you very soon on the next one. Let me know what your favorite item was that I picked up, and again, I'm all for recommendations. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.